So let's start with this. Let's unplug these 3 wires of the strip. Pay attention when pulling. Then unplug the cable connected to the receiver. Unplug this wire for it too. Okay, we are now going to remove an M size sticker. Unplug this ESC, and the ESC switch works the same way. Okay, in this way our ESC will be successfully removed. Let's get a new ESC. Stick it on with this M size sticker. The switch should also be pasted. Tear off the film monitor. Okay, what about after tearing it off? Stick it in this position. Just press it tightly. And the same goes for the switch. Tear off this membrane. Stand at this position next to it. What about after pasting? We put this ESC cable. Plug it into this channel R. Pay attention. It's this line, this side, facing out. Then plug it into channel R. Just plug it in tightly. Then plug these 3 corresponding wires into it. In this way, our ESC will be replaced successfully. Then you can put this. Plug it in and let's try it. You can see that there is no problem if there is no response after plugging it in. The possible cause is this wire here. It's inserted upside down. Just replace it, okay?